The southern tier. Today's calm, Howard, but tomorrow is going to be a different story.
It could be, yeah. We're watching. We have the first alert in effect for tomorrow. We're watching the risk of some storms that could develop later on into the afternoon and early evening. National picture here shows the overall setup. There's a cold front back to our west, extending down into essentially Texas. As we look at the actual surface map, this is the latest observed. See a cold front from Quebec back to Ontario, several small areas of low pressure along it. But again, slowly crawling eastward, and it will get here. It'll get here later tomorrow, and along with it, likely some showers, some storms, and maybe a severe storm. Look at temperatures, 60s to even near 80 still. 63 in Roxbury, 79 in Whitney Point, 70 in Sydney, 75 in Owego, and same thing in Vestal. It was a record today, if you missed that. High temperature, officially 85, broke the old record of 84 from back in 1966. We're not done with the heat just yet. 2 first alert days, first tomorrow, second one on Friday. Heavy rain threat versus a severe threat on Friday, and temperatures remaining seasonable. That risk of severe weather for tomorrow. This is a look at the SPC outlook. This will be updated around 2 o'clock in the morning, so there may be some changes to it for tomorrow. But a 1 out of 5 is what the risk of severe weather is. In terms of the individual risks, tornado risk is very low. Large hail has a moderate risk. Strong winds and elevated risk. So I think of the 4 ingredients here, that's the quote-unquote most likely severe weather occurrence. Flash flooding, low chance. Excessive rainfall, though, for Friday. See a large area through New England, back into our region, and back into western PA. The risk is there for enough heavy rain to cause some flash flooding. Now, take a look at this model. This is one of our local in-house models that shows by Saturday morning, 9 o'clock, anywhere from half an inch to perhaps an inch and a half. And I do think that there could be as much as 2.5 inches of rain in some of the areas that see multiple rounds of heavy downpours. So, again, the threat of flash flooding is low overall, but it is not zero. The future track tonight, quiet. Tomorrow morning, tomorrow afternoon, I think we're still mainly dry through about 3 o'clock. After that, some showers and maybe some thunderstorms moving in for dinner time. Into the evening, there's a look by 9 or 10 o'clock. This might actually be some new data by about 11 o'clock that any thunderstorms moving east Friday morning, warm and muggy, and then into Friday afternoon, some more showers and maybe some thunder as well. But there is, again, some uncertainty here in exactly how this front is going to materialize and where it will set up, because it will also, if it's closer to us, will likely keep rain around Saturday longer versus if it's farther away from us. Tomorrow afternoon, still going to be very warm. I mean, we're well into the 80s across the area. So expect another toasty day. And again, the toastier it is, the more unstable it will get. So we'll have to watch the potential for maybe a couple of storms tomorrow afternoon into the evening. Warm, staying mild on Friday into the weekend Saturday.